if you want to lock apps on your Google Pixel 9a. So there are two options of doing this, and first one through the built-in native private space option. This works for all the versions of Android after Android 15. So let's open up our settings, then scroll down to your security and privacy tab. Here locate your private space, enter your PIN, and let's set it up. So press setup and give it like 10 to 20 seconds to be set up. Perfect, it's set up now. Let's so we can log in into newer Google account for this option. However, I'll do it later. Now you are to choose whether you want to choose a new lock or use a current screen lock. I will go with the current screen lock. You can set up a new one. All right, press done. Now, where do we locate it? We can locate it right into our app drawer, right? So scroll down, here's your private, tap on this lock icon, enter your PIN, and there you are. You can install any applications, and when you're done, simply press lock and they're gonna be locked. Keeping in mind that this is the copies of the original application. Those are not the original ones. So however, the data is not gonna be the same. The data for your copies is only kept within your private space. So the second method is using your classical third-party app. Let's open up our Play Store and let's search for any app lock. I will use App Lock Pro. Once again, there are many versions of the similar application, so decide what's the best for you. I'll go with this one. Press install. Let's press open. Now you have to set up a passcode, create your 6-digit PIN, press create, verify your 6-digit PIN, press save. So give all the necessary permissions, find your App Lock Pro, allow it, once again permit, press consent, press OK, press permit, press allow, and for now we are done. So here we'll see two sections, unlocked and locked. Here is your unlocked application and here are your locked applications. So to lock your application, find it and tap on it to get it locked. For example, we want to lock our calculator and we want to unlock our YouTube, for example. Now let's close this and let's try and open up our calculator, and as you see, it's locked. We have to enter our PIN. If we're gonna try and open up our unlocked application, it's gonna be opened up without any kind of problem, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.